Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to introduce you to the world of cotton rope storage baskets. These versatile and functional organizers are a must-have for any home or office. In this video, we'll be diving into the basics of cotton rope storage baskets and explaining their various features and benefits. So, let's get started. To begin, let's talk about what exactly cotton rope storage baskets are. These baskets are made from high-quality cotton rope, carefully woven together to create a sturdy and stylish storage solution. They come in various sizes, shapes, and designs, allowing you to find the perfect basket to suit your needs. One of the key advantages of cotton rope storage baskets is their versatility. They can be used in almost any room or space, providing a clutter-free and organized environment. Whether you need to store toys in the playroom, organize office supplies on your desk, or keep bathroom essentials tidy, these baskets are up to the task. Now, let's delve into the features that make cotton rope storage baskets so popular. Firstly, their soft and flexible construction makes them safe to use around children and pets. Unlike traditional storage containers, these baskets have no sharp edges or hard surfaces, reducing the risk of accidents. In addition to their safety features, cotton rope storage baskets are also lightweight and easy to handle. You can effortlessly move them around your home or office, making it convenient to rearrange your space whenever needed. Another great feature of cotton rope storage baskets is their aesthetic appeal. The natural and neutral tones of the cotton rope add a touch of warmth and elegance to any room. These baskets blend seamlessly with a variety of interior styles, from modern to rustic. But it's not just about the looks. Cotton rope storage baskets are highly functional too. Many of them come with handles for easy carrying and transportation. They can be collapsible or stackable, saving valuable storage space when not in use. Lastly, let's not forget about the eco-friendly aspect of cotton rope storage baskets. Made from natural materials, they are a sustainable alternative to plastic or synthetic organizers. By choosing these baskets, you're not only decluttering your space, but also making an environmentally conscious decision. In conclusion, cotton rope storage baskets are a practical and visually pleasing solution for all your organizing needs. With their versatility, safety, aesthetic appeal, and eco-friendly nature, these baskets have become a favorite among homeowners and professionals alike. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to cotton rope storage baskets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.